Hello everybody, my name is Anura, my name is Vinegar. Today we are going to do balloons blow up with baking soda and vinegar experiment. Are you ready? Let's start. In this experiment, we will learn how to blow up balloons using baking soda and vinegar. It's simple, safe and lots of fun. To do this experiment, we need empty bottles, balloons, baking soda, vinegar and funnel. Pour the vinegar into an empty bottle. Using a funnel, carefully add baking soda to a balloon. Use about 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Place the balloon over the mouth of the bottle. Once the balloon is attached, lift it up, allowing the baking soda to fall from the balloon into the vinegar inside the bottle. Lift it up. Okay. Oh, mine fell down. It's wobble wobble. I like this purple. It's big. After baking soda mixed with the vinegar, it will create a chemical reaction that produces carbon dioxide gas. Hope you like this experiment. We'll see you in the next experiment. Bye bye. Bye bye. After baking soda. With the vinegar.